Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see the second chapter of 11th standard computer science, number systems. In the last class we have discussed about the data representation and types of number systems are there. So in this class we are going to discuss about the number system conversions. So number system conversions means we have four types of number systems: decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. So in this class we are discussing about the conversions between these four number systems. Example: decimal to binary, binary to decimal, octal, and then decimal to octal, octal to decimal, like that. So first one, decimal to binary conversions. So generally we have two methods for converting decimal to binary. So method 1 is to convert decimal to binary, that means repeated division by 2 method can be used. So the first method is repeated division by 2. So any decimal number can be divided by 2 will leave a remainder of 0 or 1. So we know that one, if you are dividing one number by 2 means we will get a remainder either 0 or 1. So repeated division by 2 will leave a sequence of zeros and ones that become the binary equivalent of the decimal number. So if you are dividing by 2, we get zeros and ones. If we are combining that zeros and ones means that is the binary number for that decimal number. So suppose it is required to convert the decimal number n into binary form, dividing n by 2 in the decimal system, we will obtain a quotient n1 and a remainder r1, where r1 can have a value either 0 or 1. The process is repeated until the quotient becomes 0 or 1. So when the quotient is 0 or 1, it is the final remainder value. So write the final answer starting from final remainder value obtained to the first remainder value obtained. So நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டு நம்மளுக்கு zeros and ones அப்படி கிடச்சிட்டு இருக்கும். லாஸ்ட் வந்து either 1 or 0 வர வரைக்கும் quotient அது வர வரைக்கும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா நம்ம வந்துட்டு அது டிவைட் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கணும். ஸோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் பாட்டம் வேல்யூவில் இருந்து டாப் வேல்யூ வந்து நம்ம அந்த ரிமைண்டர் எடுத்து எழுதணும் அப்படின்னா அதுதான் அந்த டெசிமல் நம்பருக்கான பைனரி நம்பர். ஸோ வில் see one example. Convert 65 into its equivalent binary number. So in 65 it is a decimal number. How we will identify this is a decimal number? So the 10 base is given. So that is called radix or base value. Already we have seen this one. So 65, this is a decimal number. We are going to convert into binary number. So we will see how to convert this one. So this is an example. 65 is there. So we will convert this one 65. See this one 65. So this one we have to divide it by 2, repeated division by 2. First we have to divided by 2 means what is that? 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Remainder we will get 1. So after that we have to divide. So up to 1 or 0 will come, we have to divide, repeated division. So and then 1 2s are 2, remainder 1, 16, we will get 0. And then again we have to divide it by 2, 8 2s are 6, and then we will get remainder 0, and then again 2, 4 2s are 8, and then we will get 0, and then again 2. So what is that? 2 2s are 4, and remainder 0, again 2, so 1, and then we will get 0. So at last we get quotient 1 or 0. So up to this we have to conclude because we can't divide this number. So we are dividing this one by 2. Now we have to write all these remainder from bottom to top. So what is that? 1 0 0 0 0. So how many zeros? 1 1 2 3 4 5 zeros are there, and then 1. So this is the equivalent binary number for this 65 decimal number. So இந்த 65 அப்படிங்கிற decimal நம்பருக்கு equivalent binary number என்னன்னு பார்த்தோன்னா 10000001. So this is the binary number. So this is the one of the method is called, what is that? Repeated division by 2. So இதுதான் one method, repeated division by 2. So see this one 65. So we are dividing this one 32 and then we'll get remainder 1. So that is a already we know LSB, MSB. So first value MSB means it is a first value. Left side value is a MSB and then right side value first value is a LSB. Most significant bit, least significant bit. So 65 divided by 2 32 and then we'll get remainder. So 32 and then remainder up to this one. Last one 2 by 2 we'll get remainder 1 and 0. So how to write this one? From bottom. From bottom. So see this one from bottom to top. 1 0 0 0 0 1 of 2. So this is the one method for binary number. What is a decimal to binary conversion? So you can try some more numbers by yourself. You have to take one decimal number. So that number you have divided by 2 and we will get some remainder 1 or 0. So from bottom to top you have to write. So this is the binary number for 65. So we know this one, how to identify these numbers are decimal or binary like that. We have a base value here. So this 65 0 to 9 அது வரைக்கும் இருக்க values by decimal னு தெரியும். So base value 10. So this is called decimal. Here's 1 and 0 combination only is here. So we have a base value 2. So and this is called binary number. So this is the one method for converting decimal to binary. And next one, another one method is a sum of powers of 2. So what is it? Sum of powers of 2 means we have taken, if we are taking number 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 like that. Binary numbers அப்படினாவே we have to take multiply by 2 power 0, 1, 2 like this. So a decimal number can be converted into a binary number by adding up the powers of 2 and then adding bits as needed to obtain the total value of the number. So 2 power நம்ம வந்து values எடுத்துக்க போறோம். So first one, so we are taking the same number 65. So first what we want to do means find the largest power of 2 that is smaller than or equal to 65. So in the 65 அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு smallest powers of 2 என்னன்றது பார்க்கணும். இப்போ 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 அப்படி நம்ம போட்டுட்டே வரணும் இல்லையா. So what is this? இப்போ நம்ம வந்துட்டு 2 power 0 and then 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. Like so what 2 power 0 means anything power 0 we will get 1 and then 2, then 4, then 8, 8 is 16, 2 power 5, 32, 2 power 6, what is that? 64. So 2 power 7 means what is it? Oh, it will come 128. So we have to take the number lesser than 1. So 64 first we have to take. So 65 minus 4. We can divide 65 minus 4, no? So this is the greatest number of this one. So we will get, so for that first what we want to do means put 1. So after that, so you have to write like this. What is that? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, sorry, 1, 4, 2, 8, 16, 32 and then 64. So once again we are writing this one. So after this how to write? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and then 64. So this is the smallest number of 65. So what we want to do means if you are taking 65, so 65 is greater than 64. We can subtract the 65 from 65. We can subtract the 64. If it is greater than this number means we will put 1. So what is the remainder for this one? 65 minus 4, you will get 1. If we can subtract 65 to 64 from 65 means we can put 1. So now what is the answer for this one? 65 minus 64, we will get 1. So from that 1 we can't subtract. No, from 1 we can't subtract 32. So that 1 is lesser than 32 is greater than from 1. So we can't subtract. So for that we have to put 0. After that 16, same one we will take this one. Here also 16 is greater than 1. So same as means we can't subtract. So we will put 0. Again 8, 1 is there. Again 8 is greater than 1. So we can't subtract this number from this. And then we will put 0. Again you take the same reminder. Here also number 4 is there. We can't subtract. So put 0. And same this one. Here also we can't subtract 1 and 2. So 2 is greater than 1. So here also you will take. Here 1. We can subtract. So 1 minus 1. We can subtract. So we will get 0. So if we can subtract means we can put 1. So this is the equivalent binary number for this number. What is this? 65. So same as repeated division la நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைச்சது இதே நம்பர் தான் கிடைச்சிருக்கும் இல்லையா so repeated division லையும் பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா we will get this 1 0 0 0 0 1 like that 2. So இது ஒரு method and then this one is another one method. So once again I repeat this one. First we have to take 2 powers. No. So for 65 க்கு lesser than number எது வரைக்கும் வருதோ அது வரைக்கும் நம்ம 2 power 0 ல எடுத்துக்கணும். So will this one know how it is come 2 power 0 and this one 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 4, 5 and 2 power 6. So this one we will take and then the first number 65. If we can subtract this 64 from 65 means we will put 0. So and then we have to take the next number. What is the next number? If we are subtracting 64 from 65, 1 is getting. See these two numbers. This number we can't subtract from 1. So this is greater than 1. We can't subtract means we will put 0 and same as next எது வரைக்கும் subtract பண்ண முடியுதோ அது வரைக்கும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும் அதே நம்பரை தான் எடுத்துட்டு வரணும். So அப்ப 1 தான் இருக்கு. அடுத்த நம்பர் நம்ம பார்த்துட்டே வந்தோம்னா we can't subtract this. All these numbers are greater than 1. But last number 1 we have here 1 minus 1 0. So we can subtract 1 from 1. So for that if we can subtract means we will put 1. Subtract பண்ண முடிஞ்சிச்சுனா 1 போட்டுக்கலாம். Subtract பண்ண முடியலனா we will put 0. So just simple method is there. So நம்ம ரெண்டு மெத்தட் பார்த்தோம்னாலுமே we will get the same answer 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Repeated divisionல பார்த்தனால 65 க்கு என்ன கிடைச்சது 1 தான் கிடைச்சது. So same answer we will get. So this is the second method. Then what is that? Sum of powers of 2. So now let us see this one. A decimal number can be converted into a binary number by adding up the powers of 2 and then adding bits are needed to obtain the total value of the number. So first find the largest power of 2 that is smaller than or equal to 65. நம்ம வந்து first powers of 2 பார்க்கணும். அதுல வந்து equal to இந்த நமக்கு இருக்கிற நம்பர் வந்தாலும் சரி. ஏனா 2 powers 2 போடும்போது கண்டிப்பா நமக்கு odd number கிடைக்காது. So அதுக்கு related smaller than ஆன நம்பர் வந்து நம்ம எடுக்கணும். So 64 வரைக்கும் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும் 2 power 6 வந்து 64. So அது வரைக்கும் கிடைக்கும். First set the 64's bit to 1 and subtract 64 from the original number. So 64 bitக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் 1 போட்டுக்கறோம். Because we can subtract 65 minus 64 equal to 1. இப்போ இந்த 1 அடுத்த நம்பரோட கம்பேர் பண்ணி பாக்கும்போது 32 is greater than the remaining total. So remaining total we will get 1. So இப்போ நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது 32 is greater than the remaining total. So அப்ப we can't subtract this 32 from 1. So therefore set the 32's bits to 0. Next number also same 16 எடுத்துட்டு 1 ஓட கம்பேர் பண்ணி பாக்கும்போது 16 is greater than. So we will put 0 and next number 8 we have. So 8 இருக்கும்போது அந்த நம்பரையும் 1 ஆல நம்ம subtract பண்ண முடியாது. 1 from 8 from 1 அப்படிங்கும்போது so for that also we have to put 0 and then next number is 4. 4 நம்மளால subtract பண்ண முடியாது. So we will put 0 and then 2 is there. We will put 0. As the remaining value is equivalent to 1's bit, set it to 1. So நம்மளோட 1 minus 1 we can subtract this one. So அப்ப நம்ம அதுக்கு 1 minus 1 0 பண்ண முடியும்னால last number மட்டும் நம்ம 1 கொடுத்துக்கலாம். So now you see conversion is complete. What is the binary number for this decimal number 65? 1000001 of binary. So நம்ம முன்னாடி பார்த்த மாதிரி first one பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா repeated divisionல same answer we got 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. So this is the two methods for converting decimal number to binary number. Yes, so here they are. So what is this one? Equivalent value of or less than power of 2. 65 minus 64 1 1 minus 1 0. So same as binary number 64 1 32 0. We can't subtract this number 1. So same 65 1 0 0 0 0 1 of 2. So this is the methods for converting decimal number to binary number. So we had two methods. One is repeated division by 2. Another one is a sum of powers of 2. So up to this we will conclude this one. We will see the next conversions in the next sessions. Thank you all.